In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable Trello cookies step by step. If you're concerned about privacy, tracking, or simply want more control over your data while using Trello, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the cookie settings and how to turn off functional, analytical, and marketing cookies in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the cookie settings. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Trello boards page. This is the main dashboard where you can see all of your boards and projects. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your Trello account settings page, where you can manage your personal preferences, account details, and privacy-related options. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Manage Cookie Preferences. This option is usually located further down the page, so take your time scrolling until you see it. When you find Manage Cookie Preferences, click on it. A Cookie Preferences panel will open. Here, you'll see different categories of cookies that Trello uses. These typically include functional cookies, analytical cookies, and marketing cookies. Each category will have a checkbox next to it. If you want to disable functional cookies, click on the checkbox next to Allow Functional Cookies to uncheck it. Keep in mind that functional cookies may be required for certain features to work properly, so disabling them could affect how Trello performs. Next, look for Allow Analytical Cookies. Analytical cookies are used to collect usage data and improve the platform. If you prefer not to share this type of data, click the checkbox to uncheck Allow Analytical Cookies. Then find Allow Marketing Cookies. These cookies are generally used for advertising and personalized marketing purposes. To disable them, click the checkbox next to Allow Marketing Cookies so that it is unchecked. After you've unchecked the cookie categories you want to disable, review your selections to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're ready, click on the Confirm button. This will save your updated cookie preferences and apply the changes to your account. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Trello cookies according to your preferences. The changes should take effect immediately, giving you more control over how your data is used while you're on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Trello tutorials, privacy tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.